Imagine opening your closet and everything finally makes sense. No cluttered piles, no collapsing plastic bins, no wasted space you can't use. Now imagine achieving that level of organization without expensive systems, without professional carpentry skills, and without blowing your budget. Welcome to Craft Catalog. Today, we're breaking one of the biggest myths in home organization. What if I told you that a high-end, custom closet organizer doesn't require a huge budget or professional carpentry skills? Forget flimsy plastic bins and overpriced store-bought systems. In this video, you'll discover how to build modular wooden closet organizer from budget materials that look premium, last longer, and adapt to your space as your needs change. Let's start with the problem most closets share. Closets aren't actually designed for how people live. They come with one rod, maybe a shelf, and that's it. Everything else becomes stacked, stuffed, or forgotten. Plastic organizers promise a solution, but they crack, bend, and collapse over time. Pre-built closet systems look nice, but they're expensive, fixed in size, and rarely fit your space perfectly. That's where modular wooden organizers change everything. Modular means each unit is independent. You can move it, stack it, resize it, reconfigure it. Instead of one massive built-in structure, you create small, repeatable wooden modules that work together like building blocks. And here's the secret. You don't need expensive hardwoods. Budget materials like plywood, construction lumber, reclaimed boards, and even pallet wood can produce clean, modern, high-end results when used correctly. The key is design, not cost. Let's talk materials first. For most modular closet organizers, plywood is king. 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch plywood offers strength, stability, and clean edges. If plywood prices are high where you live, you can mix materials, plywood for structure and cheaper boards for shelves or dividers. Reclaimed wood is another powerful option. Old shelving, furniture panels, or clean pallet boards can be repurposed with minimal cost. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. When all modules follow the same depth and height, everything looks intentional, even if the materials vary slightly. Now let's break down the core modules you'll want. The first is the open shelf cube. This is the foundation of modular closet storage. A simple wooden box with no back. It can hold folded clothes, baskets, shoes, or bins. Build several identical cubes, and suddenly you have flexibility. Stack them vertically for sweaters. Place them horizontally for shoes. Slide baskets inside for accessories. Next is the drawer module. This is where your closet starts feeling expensive. Wooden drawers instantly elevate the look and function. You don't need fancy hardware. Simple wooden runners or affordable slides work perfectly. Even shallow drawers are incredibly useful for socks, belts, jewelry, and small items. Then there's the vertical divider unit. This narrow module is perfect for handbags, folded jeans, or rolled clothing. It also acts as a structural spacer between other units, helping everything stay aligned. Another powerful module is the adjustable shelf frame. By drilling evenly spaced holes or using shelf pins, you can change shelf heights as your storage needs evolve. This one feature alone gives your closet long-term adaptability. Now let's talk about layout. Before building anything, measure your closet carefully. Width, depth, height. Instead of designing one massive structure, design a grid of modules that fits inside your available space. Leave a little breathing room. Closets feel more luxurious when they're not overpacked. Place heavier modules near the floor. Lighter shelves and baskets go higher. Hanging rods can be integrated between modules or mounted above them. One of the biggest advantages of modular systems is that you can build in stages. You don't need to finish everything at once. Start with a few core units. Add more later. This is perfect if you're working on a tight budget. Now let's discuss finishes, because this is where budget builds start looking premium. Raw wood already looks good, but a simple finish makes all the difference. Clear matte polyurethane keeps a natural look while protecting the wood. Light stains create warmth and depth. Painted modules, especially white, beige, or soft gray, instantly feel custom and clean. Consistency matters more than color choice. If all modules share the same finish, the closet feels unified and intentional. Another detail that upgrades everything is edge treatment. Sand your edges smoothly. Use iron-on edge banding for plywood if you want a clean furniture-grade look. Even rounded corners make a difference. Now, let's talk about assembly. Screws and wood glue are more than enough for most modules. Pocket holes are optional, but helpful. Keep joints simple and repeatable. Remember, this isn't fine furniture. It's functional architecture for your closet. Once assembled, installation is straightforward. Some modules can sit directly on the floor. Others can be anchored to the wall for stability. Stacked units should be secured for safety, especially in households with children. The real magic happens once everything is in place. Suddenly, your clothes are visible. Shoes have a home. Accessories aren't lost anymore. And because everything is modular, you can change at any time. Seasonal rotation? Easy. New storage needs? Just build another unit. Move to a new space? Take your system with you. This is something store-bought systems simply can't offer. Now, let's address the biggest misconception. People think luxury organization comes from expensive materials. It doesn't. It comes from intentional design, clean lines, and thoughtful layout. Wood has weight. Wood has presence. Even budget wood feels more substantial than plastic. And when you build it yourself, you gain something even more valuable: control. Control over size. Control over function. Control over cost. If you're new to woodworking, this is one of the best projects to start with. Straight cuts, simple joints, immediate payoff. And if you're more experienced, modular closet systems are a great way to practice efficient design and repeatable build. Before we wrap up, here's one final tip. Don't try to copy luxury closets exactly. Instead, focus on solving your own storage problems. Luxury isn't about copying a showroom. It's about creating a space that works perfectly for you. If this project inspired you, subscribe to Craft Catalog for more smart woodworking, budget-friendly builds, and practical design ideas that turn simple materials into powerful results. Because great craftsmanship isn't about how much you spend. It's about how well you think.